In this video, I'm going to show you to change the color of your name on Discord. It's really easy to do. Now, without further ado, the first thing to actually do this is you just want to go over to your Discord channel. Let's just say I want to change my name on this channel because currently you can see they are actually in white, the name's right here. So if you want to change the name, all you actually have to do is you want to go over to the settings of the server that you are in. In this case, I'm going to go over to the settings on this server, click on settings. Works on computer the exact same, and you want to scroll down and find where it says roles. Now once you click on roles, you click on create roles, and you can actually name the roles so that you can actually color your name. In this case, I'm just going to name this one new role, like so, and I'm actually going to choose the color. You can pick any color. You can pick from the palette if you don't want any of these. Let's just say I want a blue, like so, and then you select it, and then once you do that, you click on create, and as you can see, we can actually select the permissions depending on what you want them to be. You can have them be a lower tier person in the server or high tier like a manager, or just in the middle. And then you click on select, and as you can see, you can give the color to the name of the person and the persons that you want. You can even search them. And once you have, you click on finish, and you just click on the new roles, and you can actually turn this on and off depending on what it is.